So guys, in this video today I'll be showing you how you can earn cool income as an affiliate from Clixpal. So this is a platform that has given Nigerians the opportunity to make money online as an affiliate, and this is one of the cool platforms. If you're looking for a side hustle that you can do online, I will actually recommend that you try a Clixpal. So at the link, click the link at the description of this video. Is going to direct you to this page. As you are seeing the link on the my tab here, make sure that the link has my name Nelson right there, so that the company will know that I'm the one who directed you to this particular platform. So it is very important, no additional fee to it. So Clixpal is a make money online platform in Nigeria, where Nigerians can take opportunity of it and start earning for themselves as an affiliate, as a referral program, and other various ways that you can actually earn from this particular platform. So without wasting your time, my name is Nelson, and if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, I make videos around making money online, affiliate marketing, blogging, and every other thing that has to do with online hustle. So those are the content I share on my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So once I make videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new content. So let's dive into the review of Clixpal. So Clixpal, like I said, is one of the make money online platform right here in Nigeria. And in this particular platform, there are so many ways that you can actually make money from this particular platform for yourself. There are so many ways that you can actually earn from this particular platform. But before we do that, I'm going to show you actually how this platform works. You're going to see how this platform works, so that before you can sign up and know what you are to do in this particular platform. So I will show you how what this platform is actually all about. So Clixpal is actually a make money online platform. As you can see right here, it's an affiliate marketing business with so much opportunity, and this platform is actually designed for Nigerians to start making money online, not just limited to Nigerians. In Africa country, anybody in Africa country, this platform is actually designed for you to take advantage of it and start making money from this particular business as an affiliate. And this particular platform, which is called Clixpal, there are so many ways that you can actually earn money from this particular platform. So how it works is a platform that is designed for an affiliate to start making money online, or start taking opportunity of online business and start making some good figure for yourself as a side hustle for yourself. And there's so many ways that you can actually make money from this platform. We have about 3 ways that you can actually take advantage of and start making money for yourself from this particular platform. As you can see, the number one that we have right here is taking opportunity of learning advanced forex trading. So once you sign up on this particular platform, one of the ways that you can actually make money from this particular platform is taking advantage of the forex trading secret. In this particular platform, they give you a full package of how to learn advanced forex trading. So if you're one of those guys that have been dreaming on how to get advantage or to start forex trading in Nigeria, and you don't have those big money to purchase a course, you can take advantage of Clixpal, because once you join Clixpal, they will give you opportunity to take the full package of this advanced forex trading for free. You're not paying for it. And let me tell you that this training, if you want to get this training in the marketplace, like other marketplaces, you are going to pay at least 100k to 50k or to 30k. But when you join Clixpal, you are getting access for this training completely free. And you can see the package worth that is worth more than 30k, it's over 30k. But once you join Clixpal, you are getting access to this package, advanced forex trading, completely free as an ebook, where you are going to learn about forex trading. So this is one of the ways that you can make money from this particular platform by taking advantage of the forex trading. And you will learn how to do forex trading, how to do it the right way, how you can you see how people are making at least 300 daily with this package, this forex advanced trading, forex trading. You will learn how people are doing it in advanced way. So the number 2 way that you can actually take opportunity of this platform and start making money from it is called Clixpal token. This Clixpal token, once you join this particular platform called Clixpal, you'll be getting access to some token which you can eventually sell once a token is being sold in the marketplace, like Binance and other cryptocurrency platform. You see, you'll be given access to sell your Clixpal token on those marketplaces and convert them to money for yourself. So that is about that. about this particular platform, and you see how you can able to claim about 500,000 tokens for yourself if it didn't launch. So you can take opportunity of this platform. Then the number third way is called the Clixpal challenge. This is a Clixpal challenge. So this Clixpal challenge, it will open opportunity for you to join the Clixpal challenge, which this program, this Clixpal challenge, is actually designed to reward you when you introduce other people to Clixpal package. When you introduce people, when you tell your friends, when you tell your family people that this platform is actually a good platform that you can actually earn money from. You see, when you do that, they reward you for doing that. The truth is that all of us, we do all of these things in our daily life. You refer people to where you buy your phone, where you buy your clothes, where you buy your stuff that are good, and you are not getting paid. But when you direct your friends, your people to Clixpal challenge or to activate on Clixpal, you'll be getting a commission. And to do that, you'll be earning 2,000 naira for doing that. When you direct your friends, your family, or anybody, you'll be earning 2K. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to tell your friends to join this particular platform. And to do that, the first thing you need to do is that you need to activate your account with 3K. You see, as soon as you register and activate your account with purchasing the package of 3K, once you do that, once you sign up on an account on this particular platform, you are to sign up an account with 3K, where you are going to get access to all the benefits and all the ways that you can make money from this particular platform. So once you sign up an account and activate your account with 3K, what you need to do is that you just relax, you tell your friends the value about this particular platform, and once they join, you'll be earning 2,000 naira for each person that you bring to this platform, each person that you introduce to Clixpal. Then just imagine if you've been able to direct 30 people or 50 people in a month. Just calculate how much you'll be making. 2,000 naira multiplied by 30, you know how much it is. Or 2,000 multiplied by 100, you know how much it is. So you'll be making 2,000 for each person you introduce Clixpal to. And the amazing thing is that in Clixpal they have about two packages, two levels. The number one level is that you on the level one. Well, in that level one, you bring someone that you bring, you earn 2,000 naira for each of them. Then once you move to level 2, you'll be earning 4K, not longer 2,000. Now once you move to level 2 and the person you introduce also move to level 2, you'll be earning 2K to 6K per each of them. You see the amazing thing? Just look at it right here. You'll be earning 6K to 4K. As you see it, which will amount to 80K indirect referral commission. This is what you'll be making from this particular platform. So you see that it is an amazing stuff that you can just go ahead and try it. So if this is what interests you, just click the link at the description of this video. You sign up an account and you'll be get started. And the cool thing is that this opportunity that anyone can do with your mobile phone, with your smartphone, you can just do all of these things. You can do all of this. You don't need laptop to get it started. All you just need is your mobile phone. And the cool thing is that if you're on level 1, you can withdraw. If you're on level 2, you can withdraw. And the minimum withdrawal from this platform is just 6K. Now I want to show, let me quickly log into my account right now so that you can take a look at it. That this platform is a good platform which I'm also promoting, and I've earned some money from this particular platform. So I'm not just telling you what I am not doing. So let me quickly log into my account and show you that also I myself have also earned from this particular platform myself, so that you can take a look at it. You can see this is my name right now. You can see it also in channel that I also have earned from this particular platform. And as you can see right here that I'm in level 2 right now. I'm in level 2 right now, and you can see that I've earned some money here. Look at my balance. My total balance is just 5,020 naira, and I just started promoting this particular stuff just a few days ago. And you see that I've earned 5,000. You see my referral commission, I've earned 5,000 naira. So the minimum withdrawal is 6K. Once you earn 6K, you can just go ahead and cash out your money. Now you can see that I'm in level 2 already, which is the last one. You can see that I've earned some good money from this particular platform. You can see my wallet, you can see my token. If I want to check my token and all of that. So all you just need to do, you can get started with just 3,000 naira. It's one time. You're not paying another extra fee once you pay the 3K. It's just once and for all. So this is how you can actually make money from this platform. Now I want to quickly show you how you can sign up an account so quick, so that you can get started. So to sign up an account, click on the link at the description of this video. It's going to bring you to this sign up page. It's going to bring you to this sign up page, and this sign up page you're going to see referred by Nelson 120. You must make sure you have this so that the company will know that I'm the one that refer you. So that if you have any challenge, they can be able to fix it, because you know that they know that you are my student. So I want to quickly sign up an account right here. Let me quickly sign up an account right here and show you how to do it. So just fill the form and you quickly sign up on the account. Let me quickly sign up an account right here. Let me quickly sign up an account and show you how you can do this stuff. Let me put my email, my phone number, my username, my password. Put my password, country, ensure you choose your country, Nigeria, then click register. Okay, username as email and username exists. Let me retry it again. My email, phone number 509276, username, password, country. Just follow this simple process and be able to sign up an account. Then click on register. You see that it said welcome James Friday, my account has been registered. And the thing is that on this Clixpal, one of the stuff is that you are allowed to register once your money is ready. If your registration fee is not ready, don't just bother to register, because if you register without activating your account immediately, they are going to delete your account immediately after 1 hour. Now look at it. It's a chance for signing up. You have 1 hour to activate the Clixpal challenge. Failure to do will result in deletion and you will lose the commission coming to you. You see, that is just the thing. If you register an account and you know that you want to register an account, make sure your 3K is already available so that once you register, you'll be able to activate your account immediately. Once you register and you do not activate within 1 hour, your account will be deleted. Now look at this. Time remaining for you 59.10 seconds. If you do not activate your account within this time frame, your account will be deleted. It will be deleted immediately. And look at this. Immediately your account is activated, you activate the Clixpal challenge, you will receive 2,000 naira cash from 3 affiliates, which will result to 6K, and you can withdraw this money directly to your bank account. That is just the cool thing. You will receive 3 commission, 2,000 naira from 3 different affiliates, which will result to 6K, and you can go ahead and withdraw. And to activate your account is very simple. They have about 3 methods that you can use to activate your account. You can go through bank transfer. If you want to transfer through bank, just click here. You can see it. Just click on bank transfer. You can see the company company account UBA. You can see it. You can just go ahead and transfer. You see it. You can go ahead and transfer. Put the amount you paid and you received, and click on submit. Then your payment will be reviewed. But the simplest way to activate your account is using coupon code. Coupon code is just the simplest and the easiest way. And to do that, just come down here and click on coupon. You click on coupon, it's going to open this page for you. Now you can get a coupon code from any of our agents below. Just pay them the 3,000 and they will give you the coupon code. Once you have it, you can just place it above. Once you pay into any of these guys here, you put your coupon code here, click on apply. Once you click on apply, then you just come down here, click activate to Clixpal challenge right now. Now to get your coupon code is very simple. They have 2 agents which you can get your coupon code from. They have number 1 Global TV, which you can chat in right here. The number 2 is me Nelson. So you can just simply come down here, click here. You can just go ahead and chat me up on WhatsApp. You can just come down here and click here. You chat me up on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. You can just chat me up on WhatsApp and you get a coupon code and you apply it and you click on activate. But mind you, take note, if you want to get a coupon code from me, just be sure that I'm going to be the one that is going to register you. I'm going to be the one that is going to register you, and I will register you immediately and activate your account. So if you want to get a coupon code from me, just come down here, click here, chat me on WhatsApp, and you send in the 3K. I will get the coupon code and register your account, and you are good to go. See, this is just a simple way that you can make money from Clixpal. You can take advantage of their advanced forex trading and Clixpal token and all of that. So if this is what interests you, just click on the link at the description of this video and sign up an account and get started. So I will see you guys in the lesson and how you can explore this platform. See you.